In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A26, and today I would like to show you how you can operate keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and copying or cutting any text. Now to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard, and to paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. To pin it, hold it and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To get rid of it, hold it again and this time tap on pin icon. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. To delete your text on the go, use this icon at the bottom right corner. And to go back to standard keyboard, click on this one at the top left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!